Let's create a basic task scheduler in C language. Include necessary header files. String header for name handling. Define maximum number of tasks. Create task structure with 4 fields. Task name with character limit. Function pointer for task execution. Priority level for scheduling. Enabled status flag. Declare task function prototypes. 4th task function prototype. Create global task array and counter. Write function to add new tasks. Check if we have space for new tasks. Get pointer to next available task slot. Copy task name safely. Assign function pointer and priority. That task is enabled by default. Increment task count and print confirmation. Create function to find and execute highest priority task. Check if there are any tasks available. Initialize variables for priority search. Loop through tasks to find highest priority. Check only enable tasks with higher priority. Check if we found an eligible task. Execute the selected task function. Write function to disable a specific task by name. Search for task by comparing names. Disable task and print confirmation. Print error if task not found. Define the actual task functions. First task prints health check message. Second task handles user input. Third task manages data storage. Fourth task handles network operations. Write the main function to test our scheduler. Print program header. Add 4 tasks with different priorities. Start task execution cycles. Run first 3 execution cycles. Disable the network task for testing. Run 2 more cycles after disabling. Print final completion message. Save the file and exit Vim editor. Compile the task scheduler program. Run the compiled program to see the scheduler in action. Notice how tasks are added with their priority levels. The scheduler executes the highest priority task first. After disabling network task, user input task runs. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our websites. Also, if you need videos and content packages like this created for your own channel, follow the first link in the description.